black woman from infinity to infinity. Here we go. U-N-I-T-Y. Let 'em know. U-N-I-T-Y. That's a unity. U-N-I-T-Y. Never black man from infinity to infinity. Instinct leads me to another flow. Every time I hear a brother call a girl a bitch or a hoe, trying to make a sister feel low, you know all of that gots to go. Now everybody knows there's exceptions to this rule. I don't be getting mad when we playing, it's cool, but don't you be calling me out my name. I bring rap to those who disrespect me like a dame. That's why I'm talking. One day I was walking down a block, I had my cut off shorts on, right, cause it was crazy hot. I walked past these dudes when they passed me. One of them felt my booty, he was nasty. I turned around red, somebody was catching the wrath. Then the little one said,
yeah, me, bitch.
And laughed. Since he was with his boys, he tried to break fly. I punched him dead in his eye and said, who you calling a bitch? U-N-I-T-Y. Let 'em know. U-N-I-T-Y, that's a unit. Here we go. U-N-I-T-Y. Love a black woman from infinity to infinity. Here we go. U-N-I-T-Y. Bottom, there ain't nowhere else to go but up. Bad days at work give you an attitude and you erupt. And take it out on me, but that's about enough. You put your hands on me again, I'll put your ass in handcuffs. I guess I fell so deep in love, I grew dependency. I was too blind to see just how it was affecting me. All that I knew is you was all the man I had, and I was scared to let you go, even though you treated me bad. But I don't wanna see my kids see me getting beat down by daddy smacking mommy all around. You say I'm nothing without you, but I'm nothing with you. A man don't really love you if he hits you. This is my notice to the door. I'm not taking it no more. I'm not your personal whore. That's not what I'm here for. Ain't nothing good gon' come to you till you do right by me. Brother, you wait and see. Who you calling a bitch? U-N-I-T-Y. Let 'em know. U-N-I-T-Y. That's how you're not. Here we go. U-N-I-T-Y. Love a black man from infinity to infinity. Here we go. U-N-I-T-Y. Let 'em know. U-N-I-T-Y. That's how you're not. Here we go. U-N-I-T-Y. Love a black woman from infinity to infinity. What's going on in your mind is what I ask you. But like yo, you don't hear me though. You wear a rag around your head and you call yourself a gangster bitch. Now that you saw Apache's video, I saw you wildin', acting like a fool.
I hope you guys like that makeup look. No foundation, but just a full coverage one because I haven't done a full coverage look in ages. Look at that glow. Like, that glow is very, very beautiful. I really like that. But yeah, I decided to go for a light purple bold eye look because I hadn't done a bold eye look in a minute, and I thought let's just do one. And then some lip gloss. I rarely put stuff on my lips. I just forget. I forget. By the time I've done the whole makeup process, I usually forget to put stuff on my lips. But I remembered this time, and yeah, I was like, I'm gonna start producing content consistently because I haven't been consistent in ages, so that's what I'll be doing. But I hope you like the whole montage style video. If you want to see more of those in terms of makeup wise or even natural hair wise, let me know, because I quite like doing those, finding the right music, the right vibe and all of that, and just relaxing videos, sit back, watch someone do their makeup, learn a few things here and there, because it's just chill. Like, it's just a chill video.